Imagine a world where race car drivers aren't physically on the track at all, but controlling their machines from the comfort of their own home. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the concept of racing without human drivers may already be here, and it comes in the form of the Chiquitech Racer FPV, or CR for short. Designed by visionary Radek Stepan, this unique vehicle redefines the boundaries of racing, blending high-performance drone technology with human skill. The Chiquitech Racer could be the next step in the evolution of motorsports, where human drivers still play a pivotal role, but they do so from a virtual cockpit. The idea behind the Chiquitech Racer is relatively simple yet revolutionary. Unlike autonomous vehicles like Roborace, where machines control everything, the CR puts the power back into the hands of the driver. The concept is clear: a racing drone, controlled remotely by a human, combining high-speed, electric racing with the skill of a real driver. The vehicle is designed with a cutting-edge, futuristic look that screams performance, with an emphasis on aerodynamics and weight reduction, essential elements in any racing car. At first glance, the CR resembles something out of a high-tech racing game. Its sleek body, crafted mostly from carbon fiber, ensures that the vehicle is lightweight yet strong, ready to withstand the demands of extreme racing. The chassis is made of carbon fiber for its strength-to-weight ratio, while the central body appears to be a blend of metal and carbon elements, giving the car a refined yet aggressive look. The rear of the vehicle features a sharp, aerodynamic design, and the front sports wide air intakes for maximum airflow, making the CR a sight to behold. While the vehicle itself looks like a racing prototype, it's also packed with unique features. The CR is fully electric, powered by motors that are housed within the wheel wells, giving it an unconventional yet practical design. Although Radek has yet to reveal the full specs of the car, such as its top speed or range, the concept has already captured the imagination of racing enthusiasts. The CR will also have its electronics housed in the columns running from the front wheels to the rear, a feature that adds both functionality and style to this futuristic racing machine. But what really makes the Chiquitech Racer stand out is its potential to revolutionize the world of motorsports. Imagine a future where racing is no longer confined to the track. Drivers could race from anywhere in the world, controlling their vehicles through high-tech simulators and wireless connectivity. This opens up the possibility for racing to become more accessible and global, with drivers participating remotely in leagues that are based entirely on virtual driving rigs. In fact, we are already seeing remote-controlled car races happening today, where drivers race from their homes using sim rigs and virtual screens. The Chiquitech Racer takes this idea to the next level, combining it with the thrill of drone racing. While this may sound far-fetched, it's important to note that sim racing is already a huge part of the motorsport world. Professional drivers use simulators for training, and the technology is continuously improving. The transition from virtual racing to full-scale racing, where humans control vehicles remotely, is closer than we think. However, there's one major hurdle: reliable connectivity. In a high-speed race like this, losing connection even for a split second could lead to disaster. But with improvements in wireless technology, this may be just a matter of time. The Chiquitech Racer, though still a concept, offers a glimpse into what the future of racing could look like. Whether it's an evolution of drone racing or a new form of motorsport altogether, the CR is pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. While we may not see a version of this exact vehicle in the near future, the idea of racing controlled entirely by humans from a distance is certainly something we can expect to grow in the coming years. It's an exciting time for motorsports, and the Chiquitech Racer may be just the beginning of a thrilling new era.